Hello and welcome to another video from the Marketing Study Guide. My name's Jeff and today I want to have a look at the different ways you can use perceptual maps. Now you open up any marketing textbook, you are going to see a map like this. Maybe not this map exactly, but it typically looks at all competitors and we're typically looking at a product category. So for this example, I've just got some fast food players there. So typically we see a whole array of competitors, McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, etc., Taco Bell there. And that's how they're presented in a marketing textbook. But that's just one layer or one way we can use perceptual maps. So I want you to think about a perceptual map much like a microscope. So we can pull out and take a wider look at the markets, or we can zoom in and have a closer look. So if we're just relying on all competitors, we're actually getting a very limited view of the market and a very limited view of this powerful tool of perceptual maps. Now, occasionally we see the arrow going down, zooming in and only looking at direct competitors. Because if we're McDonald's here, and that's my central theme all the way through, do we really want to look at Taco Bell and Pizza Hut necessarily? Yes, sometimes we do, and sometimes we want to look at just our burger competition and see how they're perceived in the marketplace. So we could drill down and have a look at just Burger King, Wendy's, In-N-Out, any other competitors that is a direct competitor. So we go from all competitors, zooming in down to direct competitors. And we can keep zooming down. We could actually go down even further to a product level. So here I've got the Big Mac, the Whopper, the Zinger, or any other exclusive product that's offered by our direct competitors. And what we're doing is trying to, again, understand how people perceive the different products. Now, why would this matter? Because we've got to think from a viewpoint of a consumer, how are they making their decision? Is it what do they feel like? You know, which burger stands out to them? They feel like a hamburger. What are the choices? They feel like fast food. What are their choices? And then that leads me to zooming up into looking at indirect competitors. Because if somebody's hungry, they're out of house, want to get something quickly or want some food delivered, they're not just going to think fast food. There are other options. So by zooming up, we can look at indirect competitors, what we sometimes call substitute competitors. Very, very important. So here we've got McDonald's would obviously fit into burgers, fast food, chicken fast foods over here, going to restaurants, even cooking at home or going to a vending machine or a cafe becomes an indirect competitor. So you feel, oh, I feel like something, I don't feel like cooking, I feel like going out of the house and getting something, or getting it delivered. There are multiple options. You've probably had that conversation. Should we go out? Oh, I've got something in the fridge. Or should we go to a restaurant? Should we just grab something quickly? So we start there and we zoom down to, okay, if it's a fast food selection, let's have a look at what are the options, drill down even further, let's feel like hamburgers, drill down, and then finally, what products do we want? So by using this, we're going to gain a lot more market insight into the overall market. So rather than just sticking with the one perceptual map, think about, particularly if you have the data, zooming in and out, and really garnishing a lot of information about the marketplace. Hopefully that's helpful. Please like the video and please subscribe for more videos.